Not every story ends the way we hoped. Not every seed we plant will grow. Sometimes you gave your best, you gave your heart, you gave your love, and still they walked away. But listen, your value was never determined by who could not love you. No, you are loved still. If you can't love me, I will still believe. If you can't see me, I will still shine. My worth is greater than your goodbye. There is still hope. There is still life. I water the garden, I stay through the seasons, I carry the burden, I fought for the reasons, but love cannot grow from only one heart, and sometimes forever falls apart. I waited for change, I waited for healing, but silence became the loudest feeling. And when the door closed, I finally knew some journeys continue with only one soul walking through. When every effort has been given, when every prayer has been prayed, there comes a moment to release the pain and trust God with what remains. When love doesn't stay, don't lose yourself. When hearts walk away, don't lose your faith. The sun still rises, the river still flows, and God still knows the road you must go. Hold on. Don't let bitterness grow. Restore me, heal me, guide me, teach me. Restore me, heal me, guide me, teach me. Restore me, heal me. Some people enter for a season, some people leave without a reason. And though the tears may fall like rain, tomorrow still carries a new beginning. You are more than someone's rejection, more than heartbreak, more than regret. The chapters that hurt do not define the story that isn't finished yet. If love could not be found in the arms you chose, look higher. If peace could not be found in the places you search, look deeper. Because the love of God does not disappear, it does not abandon, it does not betray. He remains yesterday, today, forever. Choose healing, choose hope, choose mercy, choose growth, choose healing, choose hope, choose mercy, choose growth, choose healing, choose hope, choose mercy, choose growth. But you can rise, dreams may break, but hope survives. The night is long, but morning comes, and every ending can become the place where new life begins. Hold on, your story is not over. If someone could not love you, do not hate them, bless them, release them, and continue your journey. Because your purpose is greater than your pain. Your future is greater than your disappointment. And your value is never determined by another person's ability to love you. The love you seek may first be found in the heart of God, and from there, everything else can grow. The Lord is close to the broken-hearted.
Bible wisdom.
He heals the broken-hearted and binds up their wounds.
Bible wisdom.
I have loved you with an everlasting love. Jeremiah 31:3.